You went to school to memorize facts you never use. You were trained to raise your hand, wait your turn and follow instructions. Then they told you, get a job, work 40 hours a week, give half of it to tax, retire at 67 if you're lucky. That's not a life. That's a script. And most people don't question it because they're too tired from living it. But once you see it, you can't unsee it. That's when you realize freedom was never going to be handed to you. You have to build it. And that's why I teach digital products, because ownership is the only way out. No boss, no begging, no clocking. You move different when you know the system was never designed to serve you. It was designed to use you. Break the script or stay stuck in it.
What kind of planet demands payment for existence? Who created a system where we're born into debt, trained to obey, and rewarded with 2 years of broken peace before we die? This isn't a civilization, it's a construct, a soul trap. A finely tuned machine designed to harvest your energy, distract your memory, and convince you that slavery is noble. They call it freedom, but it comes with a price tag. Rent for a box, tax for the land your ancestors died on. Wages that vanish in days, dreams that get postponed until your body gives out. This is not life. This is servitude disguised as structure. And you feel it deep in your bones, that fire in your chest, that rage that won't settle. It's not anger. It's remembrance. You remember a world before this one, before we had numbers for names, before we had to clock in to eat, before the sky was sprayed and the stars replaced. You remember when time was sacred, when nature was sovereign, when your body was your own.
The system wasn't built for you to win. You went to school to memorize facts you never use. You were trained to raise your hand, wait your turn and follow instructions.